What is up, guys? My name is Matt George, and chances are that if you clicked on this video, you've watched a handful of other videos relating to affiliate marketing over the past couple of days, weeks, months, or maybe even years. So I first started to stumble upon affiliate marketing during December of 2017. That'll be about 4 months ago. So 4 months ago, I watched this video by this person named ODI Productions. That's his YouTube channel, and he started talking about his lifestyle and how he's funding everything through affiliate marketing, and seeing his lifestyle made me really envious in the sort of way that I wanted that as well. So I started to watch videos by him, and I'm like, okay, this looks feasible. I'm a smart guy. I could definitely do this. And before I knew it, I decided to watch a recommended video by another affiliate marketer, and then another, and another, and another. And before I knew it, I had a bunch of videos under my belt. And they were all the same thing. It's like, oh, does affiliate marketing work in 2018? What are some of the most popular niches in 2018? How do you get started with affiliate marketing? And I realized after a while that I just kept watching and watching and watching, to the point that I had purchased, using Bluehost or something, I purchased a year-long membership for creating websites, and I never ended up using it. So it's been 4 months, and I watched one more video a few days ago, and then I put my foot on the brakes. I'm like, hey, Matt, that is it. No more videos. None whatsoever. You need to start implementing. You need to start executing all these ideas that everyone has been talking about. If you're watching this, chances are you're just trying to gain more knowledge, just trying to gain that understanding of this industry so that you can get started. But yeah, I'm done with that for now. So I've decided to finally put my foot on the brakes and start implementing. So that's why I'm creating this YouTube channel. I'm going to document every little action that I take, from niche selection to website creation to what's it called, to traffic generation. So I'm going to do all those, and I'm going to document those in my Twitter account, which I'll link above, and my YouTube channel. So I'm inviting those of you who are watching, but who just keep watching and don't really feel comfortable enough to take the first step. So, and I understand that, believe it or not, it's hard to take the first step when the people who you're trying to learn from are already making a significant amount of money. In your mind, you're just like, how do I get to that level? You guys are so ahead of me, and I totally understand that. So unlike other affiliate marketers, I want to make it crystal clear. I want to reiterate again. I make exactly $0 using affiliate marketing, not even a penny. So you and I will start on the exact same page. Hopefully, I'm hoping with this series that I'm able to create a successful online first business, and then if it's successful, I can replicate that. And then it's a matter of hard work once I understand the exact details and mechanics of how this sort of business functions. So yeah, there you go. My name again is Matt George. I make $0 in affiliate marketing for now. Who knows, maybe I'll become a millionaire soon selling those online courses, but for now I'm just a guy trying to create his first business, and I'm inviting everyone else who's just not quite ready to take that first step to maybe start with me, take your first step with me, because we are on the same playing field. I don't own a mansion. This is not my piano. This is my brother's piano. I don't own a Lamborghini, not yet. So yeah, I'll link out the details in the description. You're more than welcome to follow along, and I will be creating videos shortly. So until then, peace out. Wow, that was really lame. Crap. I don't want to edit this though. Damn it. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'll be posting there pretty frequently just to provide a little update on every little thing that I'm doing. So until then, bye-bye.